Today, I'm going to share with you the best budget electric coffee grinder for under 125 ringgit. Hold on, I know what you're thinking. What? Still need 125? Come on lah, my house already got a grinder what. I just use that to grind my coffee bean can already. Why need to waste money there? So before we start, other than having good quality coffee bean, do you know you actually also need a good coffee grinder to get a good cup of coffee? So it's not so simple just to grind coffee bean into the powder, you know. Got reason one. A bad grinder will make your coffee taste bad. And a good one will help you to extract the best taste out from your coffee bean. Okay. So when we talk about coffee grinder, there are two main types. A blade grinder, this one, and also a Burr grinder. So for blade grinder, like this one I have on my hand, this one is just like the usual blender that we use at home lah. So this grinder, they actually use a spinning blade, like this one, a spinning blade, to chop up the coffee bean. So they are usually very cheap. But no good one, I tell you. They don't provide consistent result and you cannot get even sized ground coffee from them. So this will cause bad extraction and will cause your coffee to taste bad. And also when the blade, when they hit the coffee bean at high speed, they will also generate a lot of heat. So this can overheat the coffee. It's like cook your coffee again and it will change its taste. So because of this reason, I do not recommend you go for blade grinder, okay? Especially for serious coffee drinker. If you want your coffee to taste like a burnt popcorn, then go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You can buy anything, okay? And the second one is the Burr grinder, okay? So this is the grinder I choose lah. So basically, this grinder uses two rough surface, which is, we call it the burr, to crush the coffee bean into precise same size particle. Okay, so they are more expensive than the blade grinder, but they are more consistent and they also produce less heat. The one I have here is a flat burr coffee grinder. So there are also another one which is called conical burr, but that one is more expensive lah. And we try to go for budget one. So this one very good already. Okay, this one actually it doesn't really have a brand. I think it's OEM from China. But the design is pretty unique. As you can see, it has a metal body, it looks very vintage, and it's pretty sturdy, okay? So you just need to search for something that looks like this lah. You can look around this kind of price range and you definitely can find it. I bought this for 125 ringgit 3 years ago, but I checked now, they actually sell as low as 95 ringgit, okay? So it actually has a pretty simple design. It has a funnel, as you can see, a funnel with a cover for you to pour and store your coffee bean here, and a container. Yeah, so this is a container where you can collect your coffee grind, and it also has a dial for you to adjust the grind size. Okay, so it can use to grind rough, medium, or even very fine size coffee grind for espresso or even for Turkish coffee. So you definitely can use this to prepare any coffee you need. Let's see in action. Okay, so we have the bag of coffee bean here. Let's pour a little bit in. Okay, put this up. We'll say we go for 6. Okay, then we turn on. Okay, so we got a bit. So far, I've used this coffee grinder for 3 years and it still functions as good as new. No problem whatsoever. So conclusion lah, if you want a good cup of coffee, remember you need to choose a Burr grinder, not a blade grinder, yeah? So that will be all for today. If you like this video, kindly hit the like and share this video to your friends and family. So I will see you on the next video.